Welcome to this in-depth exploration of risk analysis in project management. This module is designed for project managers seeking to enhance their understanding and application of proactive risk strategies. We will delve into the methodologies that transform potential threats and opportunities into manageable elements. Risk analysis is a critical component of successful project management. It is a systematic process that helps project teams anticipate and mitigate potential problems before they escalate. By proactively addressing uncertainties, we significantly increase the likelihood of achieving project objectives. The ultimate goal of effective risk analysis is to increase the probability of project success. This involves a continuous cycle of identifying, assessing, and responding to risks throughout the project lifecycle. It empowers project managers to make informed decisions and navigate complex project environments with greater confidence. This proactive approach ensures that projects remain on track, within budget, and meet quality standards. It moves beyond simply reacting to issues as they arise, fostering a culture of foresight and preparedness. Understanding and implementing these core activities is fundamental to delivering value consistently. The first and foundational step in any robust risk analysis process is risk identification. This phase is dedicated to systematically uncovering all potential risks that could impact your project, both positively and negatively. A thorough identification process is crucial for subsequent analysis and response planning. The objective here is to create a comprehensive inventory of uncertainties. This includes anything that might deviate the project from its planned course, whether it presents a threat or an opportunity. No potential risk should be overlooked at this initial stage. Several effective methods can be employed for risk identification. Brainstorming sessions involving key stakeholders and team members are invaluable for generating a wide range of ideas. These collaborative discussions often uncover risks that might otherwise be missed by individuals. Using checklists is another highly effective method, especially for common project types. These checklists, often derived from historical data or industry best practices, provide a structured way to review typical risk categories. They ensure that fundamental areas are consistently examined. Reviewing historical data from similar past projects offers significant insights. Lessons learned from previous successes and failures can highlight recurring risks and their potential causes. This empirical approach grounds the identification process in real-world experience. Potential risks can manifest in various forms. Technical challenges, such as unproven technology or integration issues, frequently pose significant threats. These require careful consideration of their feasibility and potential impact on project deliverables. Resource constraints, including shortages of skilled personnel, equipment, or funding, are common project hurdles. Identifying these early allows for strategic planning to secure necessary resources or adjust project scope accordingly. Market changes, such as shifts in customer demand or competitive landscapes, can also introduce substantial risks. Regulatory hurdles, including new laws, compliance requirements, or permitting delays, can significantly impact project timelines and costs. Staying abreast of the regulatory environment is essential for proactive risk management. Each of these categories demands specific attention during identification. The output of this critical step is the creation of a comprehensive risk register. This document serves as the central repository for all identified risks and is a living document that will be updated throughout the project. It is the cornerstone of your risk management plan. The risk register meticulously documents each identified risk. For every entry, it details its potential impact on the project objectives. It also includes an initial assessment of its probability of occurrence, providing a preliminary understanding of its likelihood. Once risks have been identified, the next crucial step is risk assessment. This involves evaluating each identified risk to understand its potential severity and likelihood. The goal is to prioritize risks, allowing project managers to focus their attention and resources most effectively. Risk assessment comprises two key components: probability assessment and impact assessment. Both are essential for gaining a complete picture of each risk's significance. A balanced evaluation of these factors informs subsequent response strategies. Probability assessment determines the likelihood of each risk occurring. This can be approached using both qualitative and quantitative methods. The choice of method often depends on the available data and the project's complexity. Qualitative methods typically involve expert judgment. Project managers and subject matter experts assign a descriptive rating, such as low, medium, or high, to the probability of a risk. This relies on experience and informed opinion when precise data is unavailable. Quantitative methods, on the other hand, use statistical analysis and numerical data. Techniques like Monte Carlo simulations or decision tree analysis can provide a more precise percentage or numerical value for probability. These methods are often employed for high-impact or complex risks. Impact assessment evaluates the potential consequences of each risk should it occur. This involves considering how the risk might affect various project aspects. A thorough impact analysis helps quantify the potential damage or benefit. Factors like cost are paramount in impact assessment. A risk could lead to unexpected expenses, budget overruns, or financial losses. Quantifying these potential financial implications is vital for project viability. Schedule impacts are equally critical. A risk might cause delays, extend project timelines, or disrupt critical path activities. Understanding these potential schedule disruptions allows for better contingency planning. Quality is another significant factor. A risk could compromise the quality of deliverables, leading to rework, customer dissatisfaction, or reputational damage. Maintaining quality standards is often a non-negotiable project requirement. The outcome of risk assessment is a prioritized list of risks. This prioritization is typically based on a combination of their probability and impact, often represented in a risk matrix. This matrix visually categorizes risks, highlighting those that demand immediate attention. By prioritizing risks, project teams can allocate resources efficiently. High-priority risks, those with both high probability and high impact, receive the most immediate and thorough response planning. This strategic focus ensures that critical threats are addressed proactively. With risks identified and assessed, the next logical step is risk response planning. This phase involves developing specific strategies to address each prioritized risk. The aim is to minimize threats and maximize opportunities, aligning with project objectives. Response planning is fundamentally based on how risks have been categorized and prioritized during the assessment phase. Risks with higher severity and likelihood naturally warrant more robust and immediate response strategies. This ensures resources are directed where they are most needed. The objective of this step is to formulate actionable plans for the most critical risks. These plans detail what actions will be taken, by whom, and when to manage the risk effectively. Clear accountability is essential for successful execution. There are several common response strategies available to project managers. Each strategy is suited to different types of risks and project contexts. Selecting the appropriate strategy is key to effective risk management. Avoidance is one such strategy, aiming to eliminate the risk altogether. This might involve changing the project plan, scope, or technology to bypass the risk source. For example, choosing a proven technology over an experimental one can avoid technical risks. Mitigation focuses on reducing the probability or impact of a risk. This strategy does not eliminate the risk, but makes it less likely to occur or less damaging if it does. Implementing stricter quality control measures can mitigate the risk of defects. Transferring the risk involves shifting the responsibility and financial impact to a third party. This is commonly achieved through insurance, outsourcing, or contractual agreements. For instance, purchasing liability insurance transfers financial risk to the insurer. Acceptance is a strategy where the project team acknowledges the risk but decides not to take any proactive action to change its probability or impact. This is typically chosen for low-priority risks or when the cost of other responses outweighs the potential impact. However, acceptance often includes planning for contingencies, meaning a fallback plan is in place if the risk materializes. Each response strategy requires careful consideration of its costs, benefits, and feasibility. The chosen strategy should be proportionate to the risk's severity and align with the project's overall risk appetite. Effective response planning transforms potential problems into manageable challenges. Risk monitoring and control is an essential, ongoing process that spans the entire project lifecycle. It ensures that risk management activities remain effective and responsive to changing project conditions. This continuous oversight is critical for sustained project success. This phase involves several key activities. Tracking identified risks is paramount, keeping a close watch on their status and any changes in their probability or impact. The risk register serves as the central tool for this ongoing tracking. Monitoring their status means regularly reviewing whether risks are increasing, decreasing, or remaining stable. This includes observing any triggers or warning signs that indicate a risk is about to materialize. Proactive monitoring allows for timely intervention. Implementing the planned response strategies is another core activity. This involves executing the actions defined during risk response planning. It is crucial to ensure that these strategies are put into practice as intended and on schedule. Continuous improvement is a hallmark of effective risk monitoring and control. This involves regular reviews of the risk register to ensure its accuracy and completeness. New risks may emerge, and existing risks may change their characteristics. Updates to the risk register are therefore vital. This includes adding newly identified risks, removing risks that are no longer relevant, and adjusting the probability and impact of existing risks. The register must always reflect the current risk landscape. The purpose of these regular reviews and updates is to adapt to changing circumstances. Project environments are dynamic, and risks can evolve rapidly. An agile approach to risk management ensures that the project remains resilient. This iterative process ensures the effectiveness of the risk management plan throughout the project. It allows project managers to make necessary adjustments, reevaluate strategies, and maintain control over potential threats and opportunities. Without continuous monitoring, even the best initial plans can become obsolete. Effective risk analysis is not a one-time activity, it is an iterative process. It begins at the project's inception and continues without interruption until project closure. This continuous engagement ensures that risk management remains relevant and effective throughout every phase. The duration of risk analysis spans the entire project lifecycle. As projects evolve, new risks emerge and existing risks change. A dynamic approach allows project teams to adapt and respond to these shifting conditions proactively. There are numerous key benefits to implementing effective risk analysis. It significantly improves the chances of delivering successful projects by systematically addressing uncertainties. This proactive stance minimizes surprises and maximizes control. Effective risk analysis helps deliver projects on time. By identifying potential delays and planning responses, project managers can mitigate schedule impacts. This foresight prevents costly timeline overruns. It also helps deliver projects within budget. Anticipating financial risks and developing mitigation strategies prevents unexpected expenses and cost overruns. This financial discipline is crucial for project viability. Furthermore, it helps deliver projects to the required quality standards. By identifying risks to quality and implementing controls, project teams can ensure that deliverables meet specifications. This commitment to quality enhances stakeholder satisfaction. Beyond these direct project outcomes, effective risk analysis fosters a more resilient project environment. Teams become better equipped to handle unforeseen challenges and bounce back from setbacks. This resilience is invaluable in complex projects. It also fosters a more adaptable project environment. By continuously monitoring and adjusting to risks, projects can pivot and change course when necessary. This agility allows projects to navigate dynamic external factors successfully. Ultimately, a robust and continuous risk analysis process leads to better project outcomes across the board. It empowers project managers to lead with confidence, ensuring that projects not only meet their objectives but also deliver sustained value. Embracing this proactive approach is a hallmark of professional project management excellence.